The jungles of Central America are very noisy, busy environments. Of all the animal sounds you might hear while trekking through the forest, the call of a male tungura frog is one of the most recognizable. During the rainy season, male tungura frogs will gather in large numbers to advertise for a mate. As they call, they also inflate their vocal sacs, as you can see with this hopeful little guy. Female tungura frogs are attracted to the combination of the call's sound and the visual cue of the vocal sac, and will make a choice in a mate based on these characteristics. Researchers like me travel to the Smithsonian Tropical Research Institute in Panama every year to study the preferences of females for these male advertisements. My name is Olivia Rose Hamilton, and I'm a master's student at Salisbury University. My research explores how different visual cues can aid a female to remember where a possible mate is. Her ability to remember affects her mate choice and can ultimately lead to the evolution of male traits through her offspring. But in order to determine what a female's choice in a mate would be, we have to make a mate for her to choose. And sadly, no, not by means of some mad science experiment. The first step is to recreate the vocal sac of a male. We do this by casting silicone molds and then attaching these to tubes so that air can be pumped into them. When added to a 3D printed model of a male frog and placed in front of a speaker, it does a pretty good job at mimicking a real male. It seems to do the trick for female tungura frogs, at least. After collecting a female frog from the field, I place her in our sound chamber and allow her to acclimate to either a speaker with a robotic frog or one without. As part of my research, I created a pulley system to hide the visual cue of an inflating vocal sac from the view of the female. Her choice helps me understand how her memory is influenced by both auditory and visual information. Because being able to remember where a potential mate is might just be a useful skill to have in the commotion of a rainforest.